women's curvy fit jeans leggings 61% cotton / 31% polyester / 8% spandex imported elastic closure machine wash pull on legging real back pocket faux front pocket faux fly LMB extra soft Capri leggings with high yoga waist, 20 colors, plus imported black heart, no more muffin top or rolling down your hips. Yoga waist style black heart. Our high-waisted women's fashion leggings are designed for a sleek and sexy contour that hugs your waist and provides a slimming effect on your hips and buttocks. Short or tall, women's yoga pants that go from XS to XL with its super stretchy fabric that hugs all the way below your knee. Black heart, yoga pants for women that are not just for yoga. Black heart, our women's leggings can be worn any way you want. Workout leggings for women at the gym, dance tights at the studio, or women's athletic leggings perfect for running and biking. These casual wear leggings are versatile, fun, and always good for a run. Black heart, from work to workout, workout to loungewear. Black heart, start your day with your favorite fashionable solid color leggings under a long shirt, blazer, or cardigan, and heels. Replace the top with a tank and you have athletic leggings women love to work out in. Get home and slip into a fresh pair as you unwind, loungewear pants women love after a long day. Black heart, 20 plus solid colors. Black heart, find the perfect matching color for your new ensemble or order a set of your favorite colors and flash your style everywhere you go. Casual or stylish, fun or fabulous, you'll always have a pair of lush Moda yoga pants to complete your look. Black heart, our super soft leggings gently caress like a second skin. Black heart, you'll love that softness as you experience how comfortable our stretch fabric women's yoga pants are as they conform with your every move. Made from 92% polyester and 8% spandex to give you freedom of movement no matter what you're doing. 90 Degree by Reflex, high waist tummy control shapewear, Power Flex Capri 88% polyester 87% nylon 13% spandex moisture wicking plus 4-way stretch gusset crotch and interlock seams wide waistband with tummy control and hidden pocket approximate 22 inseam, model is wearing size XS, rise and shine with the high waist tummy control Power Flex leggings, previously high rise and shine pant, by 90 Degree by Reflex. These high-waisted leggings are soft, stretchy, and perfect for hitting the gym or relaxing at home. With a 28-inch inseam, these pants fall at just the right length. Designed to offer compression, comfort, and style all in one, the tummy control leggings are sure to become your go-to pant. Featuring 90 Degrees by Reflex's signature rebound basic fabric, you'll feel compressed and comfortable all at the same time. Plus, the rebound basic material is sweat and moisture wicking, so you'll stay dry regardless of how sweaty you get in the studio. This technical material also provides a 4-way stretch, so you bend and stretch as much as your workout demands. Dragon Fit Compression Yoga Pants Power Stretch Workout Leggings with high waist tummy control 4-way stretch and non-see-through fabric 88% nylon plus 12% spandex cotton comfortable feeling, provide with a high performance of great breathability and moisture wicking ability. High rise and waistband fit designed with flat 4-needle 6-thread seams 5.5-inch high waist tummy control waistband that contours your body and shape retention. Hugged sensation engineered to feel like a comfortable embrace throughout. It holds you close and moves with you, and have a hidden pocket at the waistband for placing keys or small change. For various occasions: yoga, running, fitness, dancing, exercise training, and any kind of workout or lounging daily wear. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Dragon Fit athletic leggings are sold with a 30-day, full money-back warranty and can be returned no questions asked. Adidas High Waist Out Pocket Yoga Pants Tummy Control Workout Running 4-Way Stretch Yoga Leggings 87% polyester / 13% spandex 87% nylon / 13% spandex made in USA or imported. Choose between solid, heather, you decide what's best for you. You're covered by our 100% full money back guarantee. If you don't love our products, simply return them without question within 30 days. Select your favorite color and add to cart now. Using 4-way stretch and non-see-through fabric. Perfect for yoga, exercise, fitness, any type of workout, or everyday use. Adidas Power Flex Yoga Leggings combine fashion, function, and performance. These Adidas Power Flex pants for women are made from the highest quality fabrics designed to remove moisture from your body, providing maximum comfort. Fabric is designed to contour perfectly to your body, giving you a streamlined look.